Buenos dias mga best, yo si Them and welcome to TechnoGeek, el paborito techie segment. El TechnoGeek hindi lang pang techie gadgets lang sino pang geek también. Ahora este domingo ay introduce kita el mga young animators na dali recognition hindi lang aquí na sama kundi the whole Mindanao. Para ayuda conmigo, junto conmigo ahora si best friend JR.
Hello, President.
Hello, kita naman tu. Okay, so ready to para man-introduce si mga young animators aquí na Zamboanga?
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's go! El animation ay staba na Latin word animo means to animate or give life to, and atio means the act of. So in other words, animation is the act of bringing to life. Este mga young, inspiring animators ay produce mga kwantos animasyon. Incluido este semana pasaw lang, uno sila ay produce este short film del halalan 2013 Video Mo Ipatrol Mo.
Mga pagbabagong maaari nating makamit sa isang metal na kahon, sa isang maituturing nating makina ng pagbabago.
Okay, so buenos dias con ustedes. So, before you start an interview, I have to say that I am really proud of you guys. Not just for Zamboanga, but you also bring animation in the Philippines. Okay, so saan yung galing yung pangalan na Imahe at saan ito nag-start?
Basically, yung Imahe started with our moderators, Sir Glenn, Sir Tuki, and Sir Romeo. Yung Imahe, parang yung visions namin, pati interpretations, we put that to our arts.
Basically, ano talaga, it's Chabacano word talaga for English.
Kasi we want it to be localized.
I think one of the major reasons for Imahe is para yung mga Zamboanga na whenever they hear it, they really know na Zamboanga tayo itong product na ginagawa.
That's right.
Yeah.
So, okay, so eto, paano kayo nag-start? Paano nag-start talaga yung magsali kayo dun sa Video Mo Ipatrol Mo? Saan to nagsimula?
Well, nag-start siya from our alumnus na si Jude. He was contacted by ACB Tangkol. He works for ABS-CBN. Then he's looking for orgs na engage in filmmaking, mga ganyan. Then parang ni-refer ni Jude yung Imahe sa kanya. Doon nag-start. Then, yun na, yung negotiations, and yun na.
So yung Ateneo sa mga university, yung animation group ninyo, are really identified na pa talaga national-wide. So, when they talk about a need for animation, so at least it's good to know na yung Zamboanga is really at the map. Kumbaga, it's not that we are discriminating Zamboanga, but we are very happy na you guys are spotted talaga sa Filipino way.
That's true. Okay. Anong pangalan ng animation niyo?
Bakit ang baba?
Bakit yun ang napili niyo? At bakit niisip niyo na 2D gawin niyo instead na live action?
We chose 2D over live action kasi yung 2D is the forte of our organization. And mas may experience kami when it comes to 2D rather than live action. Yun.
Can you tell me the story about your film?
Yung story nung about lang sa dalawang klase ng tao na nag-about sa tuwing election. Yung mga taong, yung tunay na tao at yung desusing tao. Yung tunay na tao, yun talaga yung mga botong pinag-isipan talaga. Ganun. Tapos yung mga desusing tao, yun na yung mga sunod-sunuran lang, binabayaran, yun ang mga botong walang halaga.
Meron pa kayo ibang entries aside na Video Mo Ipatrol Mo?
Currently, wala pa, pero individually, meron mga entries na from our mga members ng Imahe. And fortunately, nanalo naman sila sa Animation, yung Monsquara, then yung Bugador de Casa.
Yan yung
last year. Then ngayon, we're in production na yung entry namin sana is yung 3D naman, 3D animation. Yun.
This year. Sa if I'm not mistaken, it's in Bacolod, right?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. Sorry.
So nagpa-participate talaga yung group ng Ateneo sa animation with regards to hindi lang sa Zamboanga itself but the whole Philippines as well.
Yeah.
From that, we just like the mga best friends yata, no? And these guys also came from that, then skipped and decided to go into animation also.
Yeah, that's
right?
true.
So, especially from the direct and the group, how would you encourage? Kasi you guys are like role models sa kabataan ngayon, engaging in 3D and 2D animation. So, what can you say about encouragement sa ating mga youth, especially?
Well, if they have the passion for arts or animation, then why not pursue the career of an animator? Kasi yung path na pinili namin, it's very different from other paths. Very different kasi the mga emotions namin, doon sa animation namin nilalagay, binibigyan namin buhay yung mga unanimated. So, yun.
Para produsir una animasyon, necesita tiene mga steps or stages. The pre-production stage, tali ang mga major components like storyboarding, layouts, model sheets, and animatics.
Usually, parang concepts lang sa edit and pitch out lang kami ideas na production kung kimodo el final look el yamon production.
The production stage, tali el layout, modeling, lighting, rigging, and animation.
So after illustrating, kami Elman animate. So basically, we will follow what's in the storyboard. So now I will show you something na akala pwede man animate.
And finally, na post-production stage L, compositing, sound editing, and video editing. And there you have it, un animation film.
So for everyone out there who has the passion for multimedia arts and computer animation, we here at Imahe Animators Guild do encourage you to pursue your passion here in Ateneo de Zamboanga University. We encourage you to enroll Bachelor of Science in New Media and Computer Animation. For inquiries, visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/BSNMCA.
Also, can you promote your organization too?
Our org also caters creative services such as graphic design, layout, animation, and sometimes we cover events as well. For more information, you can check out our page at www.facebook.com/imahe.adzu, or you may email us at imahe.adzu@gmail.com.
Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Opportunity talaga. And good luck sa next project ninyo. And I'm sure na go fight mo na to. Surely will. Let's applause. Aura mga bes, ya pwede kita kuno sa mga young animators diyato na Kim. Mayayaan ka sila mga bes. Pero si Kerso sabi ang mga latest tech news pwede ustedes andan ng meu website myminabro.com. Hasta na otro domingo, yo si Tel Dem para na Best TV. Mas vale el